Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday, July 5th. We made it. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everyone had a good holiday. Hopefully, you guys' fingers are intact. No one got hurt. We have another special unboxing to do today. Coming from my good friends over at Firmoo.com. They are the vlogging glasses. Reading glasses, sunglasses, pretty much everything to protect your eyes. And I don't wear glasses, but I'm doing the women's right now as a gift for someone. So we're going to check them out, what they look like. And you guys can save some money. Click on the link down below. Check them out. They got everything you need. Really cool glasses. Different frames. Really cheap. Instead of going to the store and waiting a couple hours. Here's a little screwdriver comes with. Really cool. Comes in this nice satchel bag. Firmoo. Awesome stuff. This is a paid for video courtesy of them. And like I said, men's, women's, kids. They got reading glasses, prescription glasses. All you gotta do is get your eye exam and program in your numbers, and they'll have it shipped out to you in no time. And it comes with bada boom, cleaning wipe for your lens. There, Firmoo. And all you gotta do is click on the link down below, like I said. Check them out. Here's the quality. Really nice. Like I said, not for me, but someone else. There's that. Look at that. Bam. Really nice. Here's what they look like through the phone. See, and I see. Boom. Come on over your head. Like so. And take a look down below and check them out, YouTubers. Really cool. Firmoo.com. Get your sunglasses, reading glasses, to everything else. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. I got a couple videos coming up today. It's going to be a long day. So, alright, YouTubers, thank you guys for watching. And definitely be safe and see ya.